back to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome as well. Please do click on the subscribe button, like this video. If you do like the video, please do like the video because you like the video, right? Before it even starts. And also don't forget to leave a comment down below. If you don't have anything to say, you're free to just comment anything. You can comment bananas or anything like that. But anyways, you guys, today I am coming up with a review, a cleanser review. If you guys remember, I actually bought things from Cult Beauty and I've been using them for quite some time. Right now it's time to actually put my 2 cents. Everything I say is just my 2 cents, as well as how they feel on my skin as a consumer. So yeah, I actually picked up this cleanser, which is the InkeyList Salicylic cleanser. This one is one of the famous cleansers that I was like, if I get hold of a site where I can purchase these things, this cleanser will be the first cleanser to actually purchase, and I actually got it. If you want more information about the Cult Beauty and everything, the ordering, the shipping and all that stuff, I will just put the videos down below. It's formulated for all, that's what they're saying, and also they're saying it's best for blemish prone and oily skin, so it helps reduce blackheads and breakouts. So if you have acne, like, you know, salicylic acid is our friend. It takes out all the junk on our pores and make it clean and all that, so that, you know, we can help reduce those pimples. Okay, and then the active ingredient here, it is of course salicylic acid. So this is it is 150 ml. So yeah, they also tell you how to layer the product, which is super cool. They actually have a note which is they're saying not just for your face, you can use on other blemish prone areas including your back and chest, more especially those who are suffering from back knee and maybe, I don't know, chest, is it called chest knee? So when I got it, you guys, this is the size I got. I was like, what the hell, this is very small. Is this even going to last me forever? Like this is so small. Okay, so this is how the bottle looks like. It's like a plastic bottle and you can actually squeeze it in and out, which is super great if you are not, because I know there are people who do not have like much energy to squeeze out products. This one is a little bit easier to actually do that. And when you open, it comes with a head and it's got like a small area where you can just take out the product. The good part is it's actually travel friendly. You can just slide it on your bag and just move around with it. I'm not sure if they actually have like a bigger one. I think this is the only size I got on site. This is normally a product that I wouldn't really pick if I was in store to, you know, purchase because of the size. But then when I started using this product, you guys, I realized that a lot goes a long way. It is like clear in color. So this is how it looks like. It is clear in color and it is sticky a little bit. It is runny but thick. You are free to use this product in the morning and at night. This is so cool, you guys, because they also give you like a moon and a sun, meaning you can use it during the day or night. So I like to always wash my hands before I cleanse my face. So the first thing that I do is to wash my hands, even though I have sanitized my hand or I've been like washing my hands. I don't know, it's just normal to me now that I need to cleanse my hand before I actually touch my face. Then after that, I like to just put a little bit of water on my face. Sometimes I tend to forget to do that, but because I've got water on my hands, I actually like I'm able to rub the product into my fingers and the product will actually form into white. It's not really forming, but it turns into white. So it's not a forming product, but it does turn to white. I don't know if it's the technical scientific word for it. I don't know what that means, you guys. Like, I'm just a consumer like you. Okay, so the first time I used it, I actually used a lot, and you can feel it on your hands that this is a lot of product that you're using. So I think just a little bit goes a long way, and it feels so gentle. Sometimes when I'm on my detoxing moment or when I feel like my face is a little bit irritated, I want a cleanser that doesn't have any actives. So a cleanser that doesn't have harsh actives or any exfoliating actives, if I may say. So I would maybe go for one with hyaluronic acid or that hydrating cleanser, or just a simple cleanser that is just supposed to clean my face. Then I ran out of that and I didn't have a choice but to use this one, and I thought it was gonna be so harsh And you guys, trust me, this is not stripping at all. It feels good on skin, and I really love the fact that it just feels like butter. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels so good. Now, the disadvantage of this product is that honestly, if you have makeup on, just like today, I will not attempt to go in with this product first. So it's a product that honestly you will not use to remove your makeup. Okay, so I realized that if ever I decide to use this to actually remove my makeup and clean my face, I will have to use like a lot of layers. So I would have to wash my face like 3 times, which I do not have time for, and it's a waste of product for me. So I always make sure that I use like a first cleanse, something that is not this product, and then go in with this last, and then that is when I feel like, you know, that is when I am clean. Okay, and in terms of breakouts, you guys, I wouldn't say this product actually helped, you know, with my breakout. Like I wouldn't say it helped reduce my breakout or blackheads. Okay, I don't have blackheads, but you know, I feel like more especially towards that time of the month, and I did have like a lot of breakout, and somehow randomly after that I actually did have like a little bit of pimples here and there, and I didn't treat them. I didn't put any treatment to see like if this cleanser is gonna help or not. And definitely, you guys, if my pimples last more than 3 days, it means like, usually because I'm used to treatment, like I'm used to like putting like a spot treatment, and I know within 3 days my pimples will be gone. And with this one, honestly, I don't think it does that. Another thing that I really do not like about this product is that I cannot see how far I am, like more especially because it's my first time using this product. I am not aware of like how long will it last me. Now that I know, now that I've used it, I actually have like kind of an idea that how long it will last me. So I'm somewhere, I'm just guessing, you guys, because I am trying to feel, I think I'm somewhere right here. It's been over a month, and I think I'm somewhere right here. So it will last you a month if you use like the right amount of the cleanser. The problem is you cannot really see how far it is. Just like this one right here by Eucerin, you can actually just see, because the bottle is clear, I can see like how far along I am with the cleanser, because it just, I can see it. Is it a cleanser that I would repurchase? Probably I wouldn't rely solely on the cleanser just to treat my spots, because it does feel good on skin, and I would always make sure honestly that I do have like a spot treatment. Anyway, that is it from this video, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the like button, it helps a lot. Also, don't forget to put a comment, it does help a lot as well. If you do not have anything to say, just say hello, Miranda. I'll come and say hello as well. Anyways, that is it from this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.